Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tcarp. All right, coming to you today with something that I couldn't help but buy. And as some of you know, I am a big, Pathfinder Knife Shop, Dave Canterbury fanboy. So going to tell you that right up front. He just released another, Pathfinder knife, and it's actually a combo set. So he just released the Scorpion Outfitters Edition Tater skin, which is this bad boy right here. Oh gosh, Signature Series Tater skin, the Outfitters Edition, just released that, and it comes with a Rough Rider, also Tater skin, Trapper model. All comes together. This whole set comes together, and the Badger Claw Outfitters sheath, which it's a really badass sheath, by the way, comes with that. All this comes $220, or yeah, $219. So the deal, I couldn't pass it up. Love that high polish finish. Love the Outfitters Edition. Oh, it's just such a nice knife. So let me show you what the difference between this and the regular Scorpion is. The regular Scorpion is this. It has this little hump here, and don't get me wrong, I like it. It fits okay in my hands, but like others have said, if you try to like reverse grip it and whatnot, that little bump here kind of weighs a little bit. So it's great for doing this and push cuts, but like reverse grip and stuff, it's not amazing at that. I would have preferred like a just standard grip, and that's what the Outfitters Edition does. The Outfitters has that straight, or basically that barrel style handle. That's also why I like the Buffalo Skinner. I'm gonna show you guys that. That's also why I like the Buffalo Skinner, to be honest with you, is because it just has that barrel style handle. And when you're really carving something for a couple hours, you're working on, let's say a pack frame or whatnot, having something that's barrel handle that you can just kind of change around, it, in my opinion, works a lot better. So that's why I like that barrel handle, and that's why I like the Outfitters Edition a little bit better than the original, than the original Scorpion. The original Scorpion's still badass. It still works great. I just would have preferred that barrel handle. So the Outfitters Edition is probably going to be my go-to. This is a high polish 1095. So you can see that it's got Dave Canterbury stuff. This thing, again, I have not touched this. And then right out of the box, this is, again, right out of the box. Oh, look at that. Just absolutely slices right through it. And that's, again, this one. This thing pops hair. Just absolutely hair popping sharp. So love this, and love that Badger Claw. And again, this is the first look before I like beat these knives up or anything like that. So I want to say again, these knives are not safe queens. Let's see where all right, so let's take a closer look at this Rough Rider tracker model. So it is like Dave talks about. It's got good walk and talk. You can hear that pop. Excuse me. If I don't bust my finger now. Strong knife, good stuff. Same with this side. It's got nice, look at that, walk and talk. Very, very nice. The second thing that I like about this is it's got these really nice again, Trapper blades. Very, very nice and sharp. I'm probably going to touch this up just a little bit on my work sharp. I really like the way this edges these things, so I'm going to probably touch that up just a little bit, but no big deal. Again, 440A stainless steel, same as the Marbles one. And again, these are both owned by Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and Smoky Mountain Knife Works is an hour from where I'm at, and they're a good company, man. They got, local guys. They work good. They work with you know, local folks here and designers. You know, hard to say anything bad against them. So love that little Rough Rider. And man, you know, for those that dog on Rough Rider, and don't get me wrong, I love Case, but Rough Rider ain't bad, man. Rough Rider is, if you got a good Rough Rider knife, wouldn't hate on it at all. So I love this little collaboration that they've done. I'm gonna take it out and do some more things with it, but just wanted to give you guys like a quick first look on it. You know, something that you could get for Christmas or whatnot. I'll post a link down below of it. Again, really like that stuff. But and the Rough Rider's super sharp, but this out of the box, oh my gosh, this is just, ugh. And I know that they don't make these knives to be babied or safe queens, but it's really going to be hard to get this thing dirty, but I will. So stay with me, guys. I am going to do that later on, but I just wanted to show you guys what I grabbed, and I think you guys will like it. You guys should get one too. So again, this is Tcarp signing out.